Wagwan, wagwan. It's your girl Tash, and I am so excited. To all my subscribers, big up on yourself. You don't know, up. Great things are happening. Yeah. Great things are happening, and great things are about to happen on this channel. So if you're not yet a subscriber, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button at the end of this video, or when you can pause the video, run go subscribe and come back so that you don't forget. In this video, I will be showing you guys how to add Marley hair extensions into your braids for a much firmer hold so that your braids will last much longer than usual. So with this method, you don't need to use a lot of the Marley hair extensions. You just need to section out small pieces and just cut them to the length that you want them to be, and also make sure that the pieces that you've sectioned out is the same density as the natural hair itself. I know some of you guys are gonna be like, how can this be a how-to video when you're not talking us all the way through it? So if you guys would like me to talk you through this entire process, you can book a virtual one-to-one tutorial with myself and I. Just visit our website, speecheshairstyles.co.uk, and book your one-to-one tutorial today. A big shout out to all my clients who traveled from north, south, east, and west to start their hair journey with me. Big up on yourself, one love. Shout out to all the people them who ask for one hairstyle and then come to my salon and want a different hairstyle. Cutting other people appointment and all them something there. You know yourself and you must stop do it. But big up on yourself anyways, cause me know someone travel from far enough to come support me. So me gonna make sure say when you walk out of my salon looking good and proper, you know. Cause one thing about me, you know, I provide a quality service. For me, it's not about money, it's about making sure that my client's hair is well taken care of. Although time is money though, me can't deny that. A big massive shout out to all my customers who has been continuously supporting my hair care brand. Thank you guys so much for your support. I put so much love and effort into my work, and I know that you guys can feel it. You can sense that I am very passionate about my work. For those of you who don't know about the amazing hair growth journeys on this channel, please check out my playlist. And if you would like to purchase my Speeches hair care products, please visit our website, speecheshairstyles.co.uk. So I will begin by braiding my client's natural hair first. Then I will start adding in my Marley hair extensions. So my client's hair is already long enough for this hairstyle and it doesn't need that much hang time. So the real purpose of this method is to help hold these braids much firmer so that they can last much longer. So I use this method for a lot of my clients because they always said that their braids last much longer when I add the Marley hair extensions into the braid than just their natural hair by itself. So if you feel like your braids are frizzing out too much and too early after getting your braids done, then this is a method you should definitely try. I have plenty of other videos where I show you guys how to do this hairstyle with the same Marley hair extension. So if you haven't seen any of those videos, I will leave the links below for you guys to go and check those out after. And please don't forget that you can book a virtual one-to-one tutorial with myself and I if you need me to talk you through this entire process. Guys, if you like this video, please press like. Don't bad mind the thing. Please comment your thoughts and don't be afraid to say what you want to say. Even if you don't have anything good to say, I still would like to hear you guys to comment, share the video, spread the word, and subscribe to my channel. Also, Please follow me on Instagram or on Facebook to keep up with my hairstyles and things. Up. And guys, if you need any hair care tips or advice on how to grow back your bald patches or how to grow your hair faster and healthier, you can also book a one-to-one consultation with myself and I. Just visit our website speecheshairstyles.co.uk and book your one-to-one consultation today. And guys, please note that I will be posting a new video on Tuesdays and Saturdays between the hours of 5 p.m. and 6 p.m. London, UK time zone. So please make sure to tune in and support the thing.